Hey everybody, I hope everybody's having a good day because I am. I've been doing a lot of stuff in my yard. I know I did an update video, I think yesterday or the day before, of what I was doing in my yard, but I had a little problem. I had some people say, why aren't you like filming in the trees? Why aren't you filming in the nature? Why aren't you showing more of your stuff on the YouTube channel? And so I'm like, okay, I guess I'm going to start showing a little bit more things and what I'm doing around here, and I'm not just going to sit and just talk. But I like sitting and talking to you guys. So I will show you guys today some of the, I've already finished 2 fairy gardens. One of them I did on here for you guys on a video, and then one of them I didn't do on a video, but this one was pretty hardcore, and I just didn't have the time. I was sweating my guts out. So let's just check it out. This is going to be my fairy garden grove. So we have, I hope you guys can see this. This is my fairy garden, or my second one over here at the Fairy Garden Grove. It's going to be all around this tree. I have a little fairy house, and then all of this is moss. But over the past, this has probably been done for about a week now, and I've kept it very moist. But over the past week or so, I've had these little sprouts, and they are to die for gorgeous. And I don't know what they are. They're just little wild sprouts. So we're going to see what grows. They're all over it, and we're going to see what it looks like and see how it turns out. I'm letting this one kind of just grow up a little and see what happens. I'm going to put a little door. It's going to be the first tiny door of Gulf Shores. I live in Gulf Shores, Alabama, so it's going to be the first tiny door. It's going to be up here on the tree. And then there's going to be a little bridge that goes over onto the little knoll of moss here over into this fairy garden. It's going to be real cute. And I got moss down on the ground. It's going to be piled with moss all the way around sooner or later. You can see I've been raking leaves. This is the fairy garden I did live, or not live, but I did it on a video for you guys a few weeks ago, and I think you guys will love to see an update. I added a little plant. Let me see if I can show you guys the plant. I added this little plant. I hope you guys can see it. And then all these plants have been popping up around the pot at the base, which is making it gorgeous. Everything's growing in pretty nicely. I've also taken out some of the fake moss and added more moss because this moss is just taking over and it's staying so green. I'm keeping it moist and coming in pruning and cleaning it. And there's also moss down below on that one. So yeah, that'll be cool. I might make another tiny door of Gulf Shores, the second one right there onto this knoll. Who knows? We'll see what happens. But I don't know. I hope you guys could see that as good as I could. I'm going to walk through my yard a little bit here. Yeah, my yard has these beautiful trees. They're live oak trees. They're huge. They're gorgeous. And you feel so small when you're underneath them. You do. But it's almost like its own natural greenhouse out here. It's beautiful. And the leaves, of course, get crazy. But we're raking now and trying to kill off grass that needs to be dead. But I will show you guys a little more here on my porch. Let's see. I have this fairy garden going. If you guys can see that. It's really nice. It has a little mushroom house. And I did not do that one on video either, but this one was done a couple months ago, and it's grown in, and I've had to redo all this moss. All this moss was redone about a week or two ago. So I'm letting her grow back in again, and it looks really nice. There's a little fairy over there with strawberries. She's picking strawberries. This is my little section where I do my fairy gardens. I have tons of succulents, tons of little fairy garden items over there. I have tons of who knows what, like all sorts of cool little things. Succulents, another fairy garden up there that I'm actually trying to sell. I have a fairy garden right here, and they're all growing things. It's really, really cool. But yeah, maybe y'all want to see these lanterns. They're so cute. Let's see. I have this little lantern, super cute. And then I have this little lantern. And yes, they are not mine. They are my sister's, but I'm just kind of using them right now. They're so cute. And I light them up at night. Really cute. I'll light it up one night, maybe video, and y'all can see. Y'all will love it. Anyways, that's what's going on here. And I hope you guys love this video. I will do another video sooner or later about my mulching project I got going on in the backyard. Like and subscribe, and I hope you guys love these videos.